Hello guys, welcome, and in this video I'm going to share with you the top 3 laziest side hustle ideas that I can actually get started with in 2025 and still make up to $1,000 plus every single month, even as a total beginner. Yes, you heard me right. Even as a beginner, you can make up to $1,000 from these side hustles ideas every single month, provided that what you do them the right way, which is a lazy way that I'm going to break down to you as well. And these side hustle ideas are things that I've tested and proven to work over and over again, and has been done by so many different people, and it has delivered results month in month out, and that's why I'm also here to share them with you. So with this I decided without taking much of your time, if this is your first time here, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. Now with this said, and without taking much of your time, let's get straight to business. Let me share with you these lazy side hustle ideas so you could get started with them. So hello guys, the first lazy side hustle idea on our list is basically selling images and videos. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually make a decent amount of money just by selling images and videos on websites like Adobe and Shutterstock. Now, how do you actually do this? Well, all you basically need to do this is simply having a smartphone that actually has a good camera. Now with this one, you'll be able to capture these videos and images, and then if you actually don't want to do it this way and you want to do it the lazy man's way, so you have no problem at all, because I'm going to share that with you in the video. So first of all, let's actually see how much people actually make selling images and videos. So for that, let's come on my screen, let me show that to you, and then also show you how you can also start selling your own images and videos as well. So now, for example, here we are on this website right now known as Shutterstock. Now you can see that for this particular image, if I want to acquire the license for this image alone, it will cost me about $14.50. However, if I go over to this $2.90 on this, is basically subscribing to the platform, meaning that what I'll have to pay subscription fee over time. So basically, let's take a look at it. This person is selling this image for what? $14.50. Now, in a system whereby this image generates up to 10 sales, that's about $140 alone from this single image to the person. And over here you can see that what, here's a person who is actually selling the image, Natasha Petuhova. I can't actually pronounce the name well. And just take a look at the picture he's selling. This is just an image of a sky, probably generated by an AI or captured by him himself. Now, the way you can also make money from this is basically either you capturing some good pictures, maybe this could be sky pictures or just some nice street view pictures, capturing them and coming to sell them on this website, or basically using AI to generate these images as well. Now, if you want me to make a full tutorial on this session on how you can use AI to generate images or take these pictures and sell them on this website, you can actually let me know. But if you are someone who can actually come and explore yourself, it's basically simple. Once you come over to this website known as shutterstock.com, all you basically have to do is that come over to their footer section, and then come over to here it says partner. Now over here you're going to see the option where it says sell your content. Now this way you basically have to click, then to take you to a page whereby you have to sign up and then start selling your own images and videos. Now this can actually make you a decent amount of money, because it's basically a lazy man's way to make money. You can just take these pictures from your window, or probably if you go to the beach a lot, you can, if you like, you know, those sunset images are the ones that actually generate sales the most. So basically you can just come over there and then do it. You can see here they say produce high quality images and videos for our customers to download, upload your content with easy to use platform, and get tips for success. Now make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. Now this website has millions of users, and I'm also a graphic designer and a video editor, and once in a while I do buy all these free stock videos and images, and I know the amount of money I've actually spent doing this just for clients. So basically you too can also make money from this by coming over to their website and then hitting on this get started button. Now once you come over here, you fill in the form and then go create your high quality images and videos, and then come upload them on this platform, and this one will make you money over time, because the image you uploaded today, if someone comes 5 years later to actually buy it, you'll still be paid for it. And every single time someone pays for it, you are making your money on a go, and it's basically that simple. All you need is that what, a good camera that you can use to capture some nice quality natural videos or images, and then you can sell them on this website. Now in case you want to know the sort of images and videos that will sell the most on this website, you come over to AI like ChatGPT, you just give it a simple prompt that I'll be covering in my next video on how you can actually make money selling stock videos and images. So if in case you don't want to miss that video, kindly smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so when I drop that video you'll be the first to be notified on it. I'm going to do a full tutorial on how you can actually make money just by selling stock images and videos. So guys, the second lazy side hustle idea on my list is basically start a YouTube cash cow. Now what exactly is a YouTube cash cow? Well, YouTube Cash Cow is basically a faceless YouTube channel whereby you don't have to show your face or even use your voiceovers, but these channels will actually generate you nothing less than $500 to $1,000 month in month ad, provided that you put in the effort required. Like when it comes over to YouTube, the honest truth is that the easiest set of channels to grow are these cash cow channels, whereby people, they don't even show their face, they just use AIs to generate images and then generate these voiceovers, and then they basically upload it on this platform, and these videos get a lot of engagement. Now, how exactly do you actually make money with this system? Now, basically all you have to do is that you need to look at a niche that is actually getting a lot of interaction. Like when you come over to starting a cash cow channel on YouTube here, those faceless channels, some of the best niches I would actually recommend is simply if you get into the folk tales. These are people who are using this AI to just tell stories, and a lot of them, I know a lot of channels like that making like over $1,000 month in month out, because I personally run such channel as well. Secondly, you can also get started with using AI to create maybe some fictional story, or just talking about biblical stories and a lot of that. Now, biblical stories actually get a lot of interest as well, and it still makes a lot of money. So basically, when you come over to the second option I have here, is you starting a faceless YouTube channel, which is known as a cash cow system, whereby you use AIs to generate the images, which is the characters you are going to use for the video and everything. Now, the best part of this particular section is that you don't have to worry yourself on how you can actually start this sort of channel, because I have a full video tailored, like a full detailed video that will actually take you from stage 1 to the final stage of actually starting this sort of channel and making money from it, because I personally do this, so I know exactly what it takes. And in that particular video, I've created every single thing you need to do in order to actually get to that particular stage. Now, that video will be tagged in this description. In fact, that will be the first link in this video description. Make sure you check it out and go watch that particular video, because in that video I've shared with you the tools you are going to use, and every single tool I shared in that video is 100% free to use. And secondly, I've given you the best strategy and how you can generate the images and every single thing to actually be able to run a successful faceless channel without spending a dime, and also making up to $1,000 month in month out. This is not just a myth, but it's something I do month in month out with my faceless channel. So with this already said, before we get into the final stage in this video, please help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section as well. Now, this is the second one on our list, is simply starting a YouTube cash cow, which is a faceless channel that you basically open for only one purpose, and that purpose is to make money. And for you to make money, you need to create high quality videos and promote them on the platform, not by paying for ad, but sharing them on social media and other places, just to get enough attention. And this could even finally become one of your greatest source of incomes, because I think it's the easiest way to actually make money. Now, the final one on my list is basically selling digital products. Now, I can't even emphasize this enough, because when we look at the whole world right now, everything is going digital. Like even every single person is always on their tablet, always on their phones, always on their laptops, which means that the best thing you can sell right now is simply digital product. Like how many people still go to the bookshop to go buy physical books to read again? There are few people. This doesn't mean that people are not doing, but there are only few people doing that, because almost every single person I come across now is either reading on their tablet, their smartphone, or basically on their laptop, because it makes it easier for you to access, and also makes it easy for you to read anywhere you go without carrying extra load, since you can have it on your phone. And when it comes to selling digital products, there are so many digital products you can sell, and not just only books alone. However, for you to actually know the right one to sell, it totally boils down to the kind of person you are. Or secondly, if you are the kind of person who can do any single thing, like someone like me who can just wake up in the morning, learn a new thing, and then start doing it, then I think the best thing you can do is simply asking AIs to actually help you out. Now, I'm going to show you a little secret right now on how you can find the right product to create and sell if you really want to make money selling digital products. So for that, let's get on my laptop. Now, we're on my laptop right now, and here's exactly what you need to do for you to actually find the right product to sell. Because when we talk about selling digital products to make money, there are so many digital products you can sell out there, and not all of them actually worth your time. And for you to know the ones that are worth your time, AI is actually going to help you out. So for that, we are going to ask ChatGPT to actually give us some great suggestion on what digital product we should sell in order to make money. So over here, so basically come over here and say, what are the top demanded digital products to create and sell? Now just type in this and then hit enter. Now ChatGPT is going to share with you some of the top required digital products that people are actually desperately looking for. Now here you can see the first one here is simply online courses. To tell you that there are so many people demanding to actually, there are so many people buying online courses, which means the demand for it is very high. Now secondly, it also has ebooks here. Thirdly, then it has digital template and AI tools and script. Now these are the top 5 most required digital product that you can actually sell to make money. Now how do you continue from here? The next thing you need to do is look into this list and look at the one you can actually do yourself. Like if it comes to digital online courses, it's something you need to create yourself. Probably you have a skill that you want to create, you create it and then sell it on platforms like Udemy and other platforms. However, if it's something that you are basically the kind of person you don't know which exactly to go for, then you basically have to smash that subscribe button, because in my next video I'm going to do a detailed tutorial on how you can create a digital product such as ebook or online course and sell and actually make money from it. So with this already said, I've shared with you some of the best business ideas you can start in this 2025, which is the laziest ones and still make a decent money out of them. Simply, one is starting an online course, secondly is basic, and one is selling digital product, secondly starting a YouTube cash cow, and thirdly selling pictures and videos for money, which is images and videos on stock website for money. And I'll be doing a detailed tutorial for each of these in my coming videos. I've already done a detailed tutorial for YouTube cash cow already, so you can go check that out. So see you in my next video. Bye.